This phone just destroyed the mid-range competition, and it's not even officially launched yet. Meet the Poco X8 Pro, the flagship killer of 2025. Everyone, welcome back to Demented Tech Review. If you're looking for power, performance, and premium features without breaking the bank, today's video is just for you. We're diving deep into the newly announced Xiaomi Poco X8 Pro, the smartphone that might just shake up the mid-range segment in 2025. So grab your popcorn and let's break it all down. Mobile phone first impressions matter, and the Poco X8 Pro makes a solid one. It brings a premium glass front and back with a strong metal frame, giving it a flagship-level feel. The phone is rumored to be available in sleek finishes like electric blue, matte black, and silver blaze. The camera module resembles the Poco X6 Pro but with a bolder design and more curvature at the edges, enhancing the grip and aesthetics. Shielded IP53 certification means you get basic splash and dust protection, which is a welcome bonus at this price point. Bright button. Now, let's talk visuals. The Poco X8 Pro sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's also HDR10 Plus certified, offering deep contrasts and vivid colors, perfect for streaming Netflix, gaming, or just scrolling your socials. Eyes, with up to 1800 nits peak brightness, outdoor visibility is no problem, even under direct sunlight. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so it's fairly durable too. The Poco X8 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, built on a 4nm process. This means you get flagship-grade power and efficiency. Paired with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, it's ready to handle any task you throw at it, from high-end gaming to heavy multitasking, video game, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, you name it. This phone can handle it at high settings without breaking a sweat. Mobile phone with Aero, the phone runs HyperOS, based on Android 14, Xiaomi's new and improved software layer. It's lighter, faster, and smoother than MIUI, with fewer ads and better customization. Plus, Xiaomi promises 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, which is great for long-term use. Camera with flash time to talk cameras, and the Poco X8 Pro doesn't disappoint. You get a 64MP primary sensor with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. The camera captures crisp details with vibrant colors, and low-light shots are quite impressive thanks to the improved image processing. Movie camera video recording goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second, with steady footage thanks to optical stabilization. The 16MP front camera is more than enough for selfies and video calls with enhanced beauty mode and portrait effects. Battery keeping everything powered is a 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting over a day with regular use. Even heavy users will find it tough to drain. And when you do run out, the 67W turbo charging brings it back to 100% in under 45 minutes. High voltage, that's flagship level charging speeds, another win for Poco fans. Antenna bars connectivity is top-notch too, with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and an IR blaster. You also get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack, something audiophiles will love. So what's the price? While official pricing for Pakistan is yet to be confirmed, the expected price tag is around PKR 89,999, which is competitive considering the performance and features packed in this device. White heavy checkmark. To sum it up, the Xiaomi Poco X8 Pro offers flagship-level performance, a stunning display, powerful cameras, and blazing fast charging at a mid-range price. Whether you're a gamer, power user, or casual user, this phone is definitely worth considering. Megaphone, if you're thinking of upgrading or want a high-performance device without emptying your wallet, the Poco X8 Pro is a beast in disguise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Demented Tech Review, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below and let us know, would you buy the Poco X8 Pro or wait for its competitors?